Find or read reviews that people are talking about WIPEMIK 14-inch laptop computer. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Practical and performance. WIPEMIK E14 laptop computer featuring an Intel quad-core N4120 processor, 16GB LPDDR4 memory, and 512GB M.2 SSD storage for more efficient productivity and multitasking. It also has a microSD card slot that supports up to 256GB. Ergonomic and design. WIPEMIK E14 laptop allows you to enjoy a more natural and comfortable typing position with the lift hinge design and an enlarged keys. The linear body and ultra-narrow bezel design make it look stylish and unique. Display and system. WIPEMIK E14 Windows laptop has a 14 inches 1080p, FHD, IPS, screen. It's perfect for web browsing and streaming videos, allowing for sharp, clear images. Pre-installed Windows 11 Pro system make the everyday easier. Ultra-thin and portable. WIPEMIK E14 laptop PC delivers practical performance in a compact, slim and lightweight design, along with a 34.2 watt-hour long-lasting battery that keeps you productive for longer. You can do more with it anytime, anywhere. Interface. WIPEMIK E14 laptops have two USB 3.0 ports, mini HDMI, audio jack and 2.4G/5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2. This notebook computer has all the essential connections to keep your productivity powered on. And other features that video introduce the latest products channel does not recommend. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.